everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Thanks for all you do. My question takes off from last week's Q&A, where you referenced the AI as the, quote, infection. Everywhere I turn, I'm seeing AI in marketing as I have a transformational small business. There is a huge inner apprehension with even exploring it, perhaps cellular memory. I'm just getting red flags all around it. Is there anything more that you could share or elaborate on this premise?
No, at the moment. You know, they began rolling this out without really telling anybody. I think Google is really largely responsible for that. But they're very anti-humanity anyway. And I don't care if you cancel my account either, Google. But they're very anti-human. AI has some usefulness, but only when you're fully aware of what it does and what it isn't, and what it doesn't do, and that you're using it for a very specific purpose. To have it running in the background without your knowledge is apprehensible, you know. And that's been going on for some time, and you're seeing that now. And when the deep state, the global cabal, began to lose power, they started using more AI because their entire survival is based on controlling us. And literally. Because once we find out what they've done, they're gone. They can't show their faces outside their homes. So they were just doing anything, grasping at straws, doing anything to maintain some kind of power or leverage. And that's why you're seeing it. And it's out there. But that doesn't mean that it cannot be harnessed and removed from most of the places that it's in. You know, you have to remember we have some assistance by advanced races that know what this is. They've dealt with it. They use it on a very limited level. They understand it far better than we do. And it could very well be, and let me just give this idea to you, that the current web system that we use is very ancient technology. Now, when we move to blockchain and we move to the quantum system, or whatever they're going to call it, this system that we're currently using all gets shut down. It gets erased, it gets deleted, not the data, but everything else. And what will go with that will be the AI. You see, because it's embedded in this old system. It's not in the quantum system. So maybe that will give you some comfort in knowing that. Be mindful of it, but don't expect it to take over the world, because it's not. Okay? It's not going to do that.
Hey, I hope you're enjoying today's video. Want to stay up to date with all the latest news from Alex Collier? Don't miss out. Sign up for his free email newsletter at alexcollier.news and be the first to know about his live webinars, new revelations, and exclusive insights. It's quick and easy, and you'll never miss an important update. Just click the link in the description or head to alexcollier.news to sign up now. And now back to our regular scheduled content.
Alex, 4 years ago, I had a prophetic good versus evil dream involving the X symbol using Egyptian staffs and scepters. Now X is everywhere. In the dream, I uncrossed the staffs, placing them side by side. Everything turned from evil, anger, and wild weather to love, peace, and calm weather. Do you know anything about the X? I strongly feel it's the mark. X is called a cross, and Catholics take this mark on their foreheads on Ash Wednesday.
Well, technically, it's not supposed to be an X. It's supposed to be a cross on Ash Wednesday. But you have, priests who are they're not really into it, but they do it because it's a formality. But it's supposed to be a cross, not X marks the spot on your head. No, I don't. I don't have any insight into that, Natalie, at all. It's just a symbol. And it was only used as a symbol for recognition. In Latin, it's the number 10. The number 10 was always associated with God or higher power. Okay. X marks the spot. This is where you'll find it. It could be knowledge, wisdom, information. It could be any of those things. So I don't know. Next question, please.
All right, just a little bit. You were saying about not being relevant. The chat room just filled up with people expressing their love and saying, "Thank you. You are relevant." So,
well, I appreciate that.
Alex.
We all tend to be our own worst critics, and I don't want to overstay my welcome. I don't. And I have no problem stepping down and let others come forward. I absolutely don't have a problem with that. It's just, I don't know. I don't know.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.